our A7 cash wallets here. So these are available in 4 colors. Here we have our beautiful pink croc, the black croc, the purple croc, and this beautiful blue croc. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you an introduction of these using the blue croc. So here inside of the clasp here, the first thing you see is a pin loop. There are also 5 card slots here, a slot available for your ID, as well as extra storage here in the back and the side of this front pocket. In the back, you have a big pocket that you can use for cash or receipts. There's a fly leaf here with room for another picture, as well as 3 card slots on the back. The same in the back, 3 card slots here, 2 additional pockets here on the side, as well as a zipper for your change. And this thing closes right up and it's perfect for your everyday cash stuffing. This carries your variable expenses, which we also include with this wallet. Comes with these pre-labeled A7 envelopes. So we have groceries, household, eating out, gas, miscellaneous, and spending. And if you need any additional titles, those are available on the shop as well.